Missing coach car with evidence of an attack found with blood stain. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Link 007 TV. Let's talk. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. When someone goes missing, especially in the current time that we're living in, you have to fear for the worst. And even though you are gripped on some level of hope, it still rests in the back of your mind that something can go terribly wrong. So let me just get into the details of what I really want to talk about on the program today. So the C0ach football community up to yesterday evening was fearing for the worst as Rivali United and Cumberland High School coach C0ach Brown, who has been reported missing since Wednesday evening, has since not been found. It's reported that Mr. Brown's car was found in the Spanish Town area with bloodstain inside of it. The development has left his well-wishers, his fans, his friends, and also the football fraternity in shock. The missing coach, Mr. Brown, guided Cumberland High School to the second round of the Manning Cup for the first time in the school history in 2018. Rivali United president C0ach said that the community was also holding on to its breath and hoping for the best but also fearing for the worst. The Rivali United president states that they haven't gotten any new updates, but the last time he spoke with him was on Wednesday when he was in the country and he received a text from him and that he did not get the time to respond to the text, and he was such a humble person and he hoped that he is still alive. That was what the president had to say from Rivali. So when we see situations such as these being played out, especially when the evidence points to something else, we have to fear for the worst. And this individual was said to be such a humble coach. He guided that school to the second round of the Manning Cup for the very first time in the history of the school. He was loved by the coaching fraternity and also the football fraternity in the Spanish Town area. And with the evidence that have been gathered so far, it's very clear that something went terribly wrong, and the family and friends of this individual right now is just fearing and bracing for the worst. Has led authorities to believe that something went terribly wrong with this football coach, Mr. Brown. And I believe that something went terribly wrong based on the fact that the bloodstains were found inside his motor vehicle and there was evidence of a struggle that ensued between him and some other individual. But as it stands right now, the police are carrying out their investigation, and even though we are fearing for the worst, we at Link 007 TV is still hoping that he might be found and also be found alive and well. But we don't know what really transpired and we don't know what could have led to this right now. And as the family and friends try to grapple with this unfortunate situation, we are still just trying to update you, the public, as it relates to this. And if any of you have seen or heard anything, you know what to do. However, we are just hoping that he is alive, he is well, and that he will return home, even though in the back of our mind, we still thinking the worst that might have happened to this individual. But it's a sad situation and one in which we really need to be mindful around us and about our surroundings and the places that we go and the people that we get involved with at times, because some of the time it's not really you thereafter. It might be a family member, a friend, or even a close associate got themselves involved in some situation, and you might just be the one that they are able to catch up with, and you might be the one that they will try to unleash the wrath upon. So you just have to just be careful about your surrounding, and just always try your best to just be positive about what you're doing in life and who you associate yourself with. Such a sad situation coming outside of the Spanish Town area, and we'll keep you up to date with this one. This is Links of Love 7 TV. Let's talk, and this is where we're gonna leave this one here for now. We'll keep you up to date. Bless.